All right, so enzymes 101. All right, let me just flip this over so you can see. First of all, this is what an enzyme looks like. Okay, I carry 10 different varieties. This is an example of one. So it's just a little capsule here. Okay, and inside this capsule, man, look at my fingers all like dry from golfing yesterday. Anyways, this capsule inside of it has all kinds of goodies to help digest your food. So enzymes 101. All you really need to know is that enzymes do two main things. They digest your food. That is a G, believe it or not. They digest your food, enzymes do. And secondly, they heal your immune system. Okay? They digest food and they heal your immune system. Enzymes 101, that's what you really need to know. So when I say digest food, go ahead and type in the chat, all you lovelies, what the 6 ingredients or components to food are. Do you guys remember? What are the 6 components to food? Protein, excellent. What's another one? Carbs, good you guys. What else? Fats. So we got protein, carbs, fats, minerals. We're missing 2 more, you guys. I'll give you a clue. Here's one. There you go. Enzymes, good. And then there's one more we're missing. Vitamins. Thank you, Sherry. Okay, so what I'm saying to you is that enzymes are going to digest these components.